Hi dreamers! Welcome to today's Steamwork Science. Today we are talking about sleep. And this is where I write my dreams. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real that when you wake up you're surprised that you don't actually live in a castle or you don't have a pet unicorn? No? Just me? Well, everyone has their own unique dreams, and no one really knows why we dream. While everyone does dream at night, some people don't remember them when they wake up. Sometimes our dreams are nightmares, and they may keep us up at night, or leave us feeling cranky the next day. When you don't get enough sleep, it may be hard to focus the next day, and you can't do the tasks you normally do. Sleep is so important, as it is when our muscles and our bones can grow, and when we can heal from any sicknesses we may have. Sometimes it may be hard to fall asleep for a variety of reasons. Maybe you were up late on your electronics and it was hard to fall asleep, or you ate late at night and your body was still digesting, or maybe you just keep replaying the bad day you had in your head. Here are some tips on how to have a better night's sleep. Move around in your room before you go to bed. Have a nightly routine like brushing your teeth, getting in your pajamas, or reading a book, or writing in your journal. And then make sure you're comfortable when you sleep. I always like to keep a nightlight because it makes me more comfortable. I love to keep a dream journal and keep track of all the wild and whimsical dreams I have at night. I'm going to show you how you can do that too. Now let's talk about the supplies. So I have my notebook here, and this is where I write my dreams, but if you don't have a notebook, you can create your own at home. And then I have my writing utensils. You can use pens or pencils or whatever writing utensils you have. And then to create your own dream journal, I have scrap paper, hole punch, and I have some brass fasteners. If you don't have them, you can use string or pipe cleaners or whatever you have to tie your papers together. So what you'll do first is fold your scrap paper or whatever paper you have, you fold it in half to make it like a book, and then you'll punch the holes on the side. So I punched 3 holes. So once you have that, then you'll need whatever you're using to put inside the holes to tie the book together. So I have my brass fasteners. So I'll put one in here, another, and then one more. And then you'll want to write on the front so you know what this is. So write. So then you can write your dreams inside. In the morning, I write in my journal and I go, time went to bed, time awake, and then routine before. So here you would write what you ate, if you went on any electronics, if you did any exercise or movement before bed. And then I usually write under that description of dream. And then this can be however long it needs to be. It could extend to the next pages, or it could just be this little part. So that's how I keep track of my dreams, and I help to remember them so I can share my dreams with my friends. Thanks for tuning in today, dreamers. I hope that you can make your own dream journal and keep track of your wonderful, wild, and whimsical dreams. See you later, dreamers.